How to enable sensitive content on Telegram. Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you that how you can enable sensitive content on Telegram. So to begin the video, first you need to go to the Telegram application on your device. Once you open the application, you will find the three lines at the top left corner. Tap on that and from here go to settings. So once you open settings, you will find privacy and security here. Tap on that. But if you search here, you cannot find the sensitive content option here. So what you need to do, you need to go to a web browser on your device. In this case, I'm using Chrome, and you need to go to web.telegram. You need to go to web.telegram.org, and from there you need to log into your account. Once you're logged in, all you need to do is to tap on the three lines at the top left corner, and here you need to go to settings. So once you go to settings, you will find privacy and security here. You need to tap on that. And if you scroll a bit, you will find the sensitive content option here. All you need to do is to disable filtering. Just check this box and that is it. And from now on, you have enabled the sensitive content on your Telegram account. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.